Welcome. Today is the day where we get to showcase what we've been working on in the past couple of months, and we're extremely proud to present our work to you tonight. I want to start off with how thankful I am to the team and to all our supporters. Thank you for coming. I know it's been a tough year, and for most of us it's going to be a little bit awkward to hang out with other people again. Just go over, have some wine from Blake Everett, who is presenting Satyr Wines. We are a team of 3 people that saw when cultivated meat came up that there are a couple of things that have not been addressed. For example, how do we create flavor? How do we bring the cost down and the scale up rapidly? These are the things that we deeply care about, and these are the things that we're addressing. Today, 3 lucky people among you will get to taste the cultivated meats that the team has crafted in the last 3 months. I would like to welcome the tasters to this table. We will present the 3 meats to you, and then I will ask you some questions. So with this, I want to welcome you to enjoy this evening, enjoy some real-world exchanges with people, and let's take it from there. Thank you all.
There was first the excitement to be one of the first to try it, and what a kind of monumental moment it was to try a sizable piece of cultured meat. I eat meat, but I eat meat infrequently, but it was delicious and rewarding.
It was a premium experience from start to finish. Just being able to kind of see each meal plated, I think that was just the first step. And then the quality of each of the samples was really kind of that quality you experience when you are really looking at that high-end stuff. You're not losing on quality at all when you're trying something like the samples we tried today.
I produced the meat in the lab. I spent hours producing it and trying to refine the processes that we have. And then I come here and people are tasting the meat for the first time, and I see their reaction and their testimonial, which is like a total different vibe than actually sitting in the lab and produce the meat and looking at it. Because when you look at it, you don't feel the flavor, you don't necessarily smell it. You really have to taste it to actually bring that to the table. So today, seeing other people eating the delicious food that we produce in the lab, having a real cook and a real chef cooking our meat is like amazing.
I'm so excited about a prospect of being able to reintroduce these really flavorful, powerful, and nutritious foods, and also know that an animal isn't suffering, that it's continuing to live and be flavorful.
We talk about it a lot, we read about it a lot, but actually experiencing it made me feel very different. And just actually hearing the idea that the animal is still alive and what I ate actually did not end up in animal slaughter, or what that could mean for the future, it's an experience that I think could really change the food system. I think that it would be a very easy decision to choose this type of product, especially at a restaurant, versus kind of like the traditional meat that we see. When the taste is there, when I feel the texture can probably be there in a more consistent manner.
I knew that I would try this week, and so I went and actually ordered lamb in a restaurant, and this was better. I would actively order this regardless of knowing that it's actually better for the environment and the planet and all the feel goods. It just actually had a better flavor profile.
All of what you're doing is inevitable, and it's really exciting to see where this goes from a tasting to a real product. Follow the plant-based companies the last couple of years. It's cool from them going from a tasting to a real product to every shelf in every supermarket.
Replacing meat is one of the most important things we can do for the environment. It's coming, and the country's going to be ready for it. Certainly California is ready for it.
Most important part of the change is to actually not have to abuse the animal. The farmers will be key to the cultivated meat industry because someone's going to keep the diversity of those cattle. And we can take those cells and basically grow them in the lab, and then you will pertain and maintain that diversity, and you don't have to kill the animal. You can actually live with the animal its entire life.